Erdogan confirmed officially that a coup was underway, but called for calm. Now, he said a group within Turkey's military had attempted to overthrow the government and that security forces, in his words, had been called in to do what was necessary. A few minutes later after that, the Turkish military confirmed that it had taken power. Now, they said that was in an effort to protect democratic order. They took control of a TV station. They put out that statement that they wanted to reinstate the constitutional order, democracy, human rights and freedoms. Now, it's worth reminding ourselves at this point that the military, traditionally in Turkish history, sees itself as a guardian of the secular state, the vanguard, if you like, and that over recent years, President Erdogan has been accused of trying to make the country a more religious country and of eroding people's right to protest, freedom of speech, freedom of the media as well. So that's the background to the situation. Things continued with reports then that the president was safe, but then there was a huge question mark over where he was. Now, we now think that he had been in the Turkish resort of Marmaris, but crucially he was out of Ankara and out of Istanbul, which was obviously seen as an opportune moment by these elements within the military